President, do you have a New Year's resolution?
I have.
Let's hear it.
Peace on earth. Peace on earth. You can come in if you like.
Definitely, she knows some things before all of us does. Of course, if you really go and look into Donald Trump video, you realize that he have planned out the attack 2-3 days before the actual attack, and it got delayed. It's because of bad weather. So actually, he decided and planned to strike on New Year's Eve on New Year. That is pretty bad because people might be out there celebrating, right? Thank God the strike got slightly delayed, minimize casualty, I hope. But what I want to bring you over here on your attention is that I believe there are some insider trading going on. Chevron, as you can see over here on the week close, right now the market is not open yet. What we can see is an abnormal appreciation. Of course, you could say it's because of dividend, $1.71. Over here, $1.71 as well. Over here as well. So there isn't any like these stats, or rather this amount of dividends cause any spike. As you can see, if you go back to history, it doesn't, right? It seems like people know what's going on. And 29th of December, it means that it's right after Christmas and you've been trading for quite some time. You know, during this season, the Christmas and New Year season is when the market is a bit quiet, right? So if you head down to daily chart, this is on a Monday, 29th of December. We could see once market open, it went up. Seems like someone knows what is going on. Once again, let's click and drag based off the opening price over here to the current closing price before the market reopens again, right? There is a 3.28% appreciation on a week where we are crossing into a new year, what we call right before the New Year holiday, and this is really very, very sus. And of course, once market open, we can see what's going on and stuff like that. Hey, this is not a trade call, just sharing with you what I'm saying. Of course, you want to jump in to buy Chevron, you're ready, you know what you're going to do, then good for you, right? But I'm looking for a selling opportunity at around 158.52, a strong shorting opportunity over here. Let's say I will still need to wait for my confirmation to jump in to sell. Nothing against this, I'm just sharing with you something is really not very normal over here. And you want to learn this, you want to get into a community, drop me a DM. I'll send you a community to share with you what I have seen and what I've shared to the market firsthand, just like right now, before anyone. Shout out on Chevron to look into the potential insider trading or some leaks that's going on, right? And Donald J. Trump himself did mention this company, and that's how I jump in and do a bit of analysis and investigation.